This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Need new tools or upgrade? Think Value Testers. Link in description below. Morning guys, it's February 14th, 2020. This one here I got a call from a guy. He says that his shower valve, he tried to take it apart and it's a moen and he pulled the cylinder out and part of it stayed in there or something. So I don't know what's happening with that. We're going over there now. And hopefully I don't have to replace the whole shower, the whole tub shower valve. Hopefully I could just remove what's there and plug and play another cartridge in there. But I don't know. That's what he had said over the phone. Well, I'm on my way over there now and see what happens. Give it the old how you doing. Give it the old how you doing, mama. Miss Molly is working again, y'all. Miss Molly is working again, y'all. We'll try to get you some shots when I get there. Might be interesting. Wait, it broke? I don't know if I'll be able to get that out of there.
I know it. I know if
that's what they told me. They said,
I don't know if you can drill. I know that whole piece is supposed to come out.
Yeah, it's supposed to come out. Maybe I could put something in there. But can't really grab it.
I know it. I tried pulling on it.
You tried pulling on it, yeah.
I tried pulling on this.
No, but yeah.
No good, huh?
This whole thing's supposed to come out, but it's so old. And
man,
I don't know.
Can you spin it back and forth? No.
No, can't even turn it.
What were you grabbing it with?
Pliers. You don't know pliers.
Yeah, you put a good grip on it.
Yeah, and you can.
Okay. Go to power.
Come on.
Yeah, watch out! I don't want to get bit. Maybe I could drill it out, and then get something in there. I could grab it because worst comes to worst, I'm gonna try drilling it out so I could get an easy out in there or something, and then we'll try put a because it's only in there like 1/4 of an inch. I can't stick anything in there, and you got to get something in there where you could really grab it and give it the how you doing, right? So let me see if I could drill that out like that, because there's still brass in there.
So you just have to change it. You have to change this whole unit.
I might have to. I'm gonna try this first. If we can't get it out this way.
No.
No, if we can't get it out this way, we'll go to Plan B.
Yeah.
Let's try Plan A.
And I don't want to have to go to the neighbors for a shower.
Let's try Plan A. If Plan A don't work, we'll go Plan B.
Yeah.
Right? If Plan B don't work, we'll go to Plan C. If Plan C don't work, I'm leaving. How's that sound?
You're going to have to dig a hole in that.
Now, we'll get it. That's brass in there.
That's a little bit drill area.
They got the water off. We know the water's off.
Oh yeah, it's... Nothing's made to last forever.
Really. If I could get that in there a little deeper, maybe.
Fills the whole thing. Every part of reach home.
Some kind of metal in there or something. I want to come out.
About a ridge home, they brought me the shell, they gave me 11 weeks to put up the foundation. Then they brought me all the whole house. Hardwood floors and everything.
You're one of them handymen. Oh, you're a handyman.
Yeah.
Joe fix it. Maybe. I don't know. I might have to just replace the whole thing, but.
Yeah, I guess I'll have to.
I don't know. Your son was in here jamming around on the thing, wasn't he? I might be able to get an easy out in there. Let me try.
Yeah,
What do I got in my truck?
yeah, that's sneaky.
I would drill that sucker out if I could. I don't know what the hell's in there, but some kind of metal.
I know my limitations. I knew I would be a plumber.
Yeah, some kind of. Yeah. Alright, so let me see what I can get in there. I might be able to get something in there. Yeah, I think I can get this in there.
Are you busy?
Yeah, I should be. Yeah, I should be busy. Look at that shit. Wow. I mean,
That whole thing's supposed to come out?
I'm supposed to. Man, she's on there, huh?
Oh, you got it.
Well, I charge you extra if you watch, you know.
It's alright. Maybe I've learned something. I might have to go out and go to work.
Look at this plastic piece come out.
My working days are over.
We got it. We got it. Son of a gun, huh? I look like a superhero today, don't I?
Now I know why I needed a plumber.
I look like a flippin' superhero today.
Oh yeah.
We'll be alright. As long as your son didn't bend the shit out of it trying to get the edges. I don't think he did though. See, what I had to do is I had to drill out the center so I could get that in there.
Yeah.
And give it a yank, right?
Oh, I didn't know that whole thing was supposed to come out.
Yeah, you probably was doing was you were probably bending on that shaft and you broke it off.
I didn't push on it. I didn't even try.
How did the middle of the shaft come out then?
Oh, well, that I took out.
Yeah, but how did you must have broke it off somehow?
No, I just took that screw off and then it.
No, you got this. How did this break off? How did this break off?
That's how it broke.
Were you yanking on it? I mean, it's supposed to come out straight. How did it break like that? I've never seen it break like that.
I don't know. It just came out. That's why I was when I was working. It broke.
It just spit out on its own?
Yeah. I just pulled it out and it came right out.
Yeah, you were yanking on it or something. I mean, come on, guy.
No, it didn't take nothing to get it out. So I said, "Oh, I need the rest." What kind of a problem I got?
He says you got a big problem. Is that what he said?
Yeah.
Tell you
I just looked in the phone book and you said you had faucets, Jay, so I called you.
Oh, okay. All right, we'll try putting a new one in. And see what happens there. Where's the new one? You're right there in the box.
Oh, you got a new one?
Yeah, I got a new one.
Oh yeah, the lady, I went to that, on way at the top of, where the heck is that? And she had one. I said, well, I don't know if that's what I need. I said, I'm just checking around. I said, I don't know if I need a plumber or I need, I'm thinking I just need a little line like that, you know? That you took out.
Well, you need to be able to get the thing apart, for
Yeah.
one. Right?
Yeah.
So.
Well, they can't cut out all the people. You get plumbers there, you call a plumber.
This is one of those
You build it yourself.
do-it-yourselfer. You're a do-it-yourselfer.
Yeah.
You built it, oh, it's one of those prefab homes.
No, not prefab. It was.
It's supposed to go in there like that.
Some guys, he says, oh, I can do what I do. They do the job. They have to take it all apart and call it out anyway.
Who said that?
You know what I'm saying? Some guys, they think they can do everything, you know. Plumbing and electricity is not my. Yeah, I would. They should have a shower. I'd turn it down here and come right out of my hand. What the hell?
It should go in all the way. It'll come off in your hands all right. We're not out of the water yet until we get this thing back in place. I'll tell you right now, we're not out of the water yet, so don't get your hopes up. Don't get your hopes up yet. Yeah, I'm always, pretty much always busy.
Been a plumber all your life?
Yeah. That's gonna go down in there. If that don't go down in, we can't.
Well, we've been lucky there so far this winter, huh?
So far.
Another month.
I mean, for snow,
About another
snow.
month to sweat.
Huh?
If anything now we have, it ain't bad.
No snow.
Yeah, it would snow and then the next morning it was gone. I was alright, it rained.
There it goes. It's in now. So you gotta get that clip in, cause that holds the whole unit in there, right?
Yeah, right.
All right. Let me see the other silver thing. The silver thing, the long, skinny silver thing in the back there by the wall.
Oh,
There we go. That's what I want. Yep.
What about this?
That holds the clip in. That holds the clip in from coming out.
This here?
Yep, and then that's what's gonna go next. God. Yeah, I don't know. Whatever. Yeah, so we'll do what we can. We'll put this on. We got a couple of screws there, right? The long ones. Let me see. We'll put them on. And I think you might have got lucky today. Today's your lucky day.
Oh, yes.
Gotta play the numbers.
And I worked 30, 40 years at the bowl now. Wonderful.
Oh, okay, that's a cool place, no?
Part-time over there.
You like it there? You any good? Bowler?
No, I didn't have a bowl.
Oh, you just doing the shoes?
Yeah. I know, I just, I was running the machines in the back.
Oh, okay. So they got plastic floors now instead of the wood. It's not as good, huh? Not as good? The wood, the plastic?
I don't know, I never bowled.
That's what the bowlers say. They like the wood floors better.
Yeah. Well, yeah, probably.
Why did they switch from the wood?
I don't know. I've been out of here for 30 years now.
Wonder Bowl?
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah,
surprised. I'm surprised you know. So you just ran the machines in the back. Yeah. Anybody throw like soda cans back there and down the rails and shit like that? No.
But you watch out, you don't go down there. Sometimes you have to go get a pin or something, they call you. You have to make sure some jerk that never bowled before. I'm gonna get hit by a ball, you know?
Oh, you gotta be careful.
Yeah. Have to shut it off quick.
Yeah, if you hear me hollering, you can shut it off. If you hear me hollering.
Quiet. All set.
Working. There you go. Yeah, so I had to drill it out to be able to get something in there to yank it out. So I don't know how you broke this off, but I've never seen one.
Wait, I just turned the handle.
Oh, you just turned the handle and it broke right off.
The handle come out.
And it was in there.
Hmm?
That was in the handle.
Yeah, what?
Must have been hard to turn, no?
Was that hard to turn? Happened to him.
Must
Was
have been.
that hard to turn? No, because it stayed in there. So in the morning he told me, so I went in there and I went,
That's
it
kinda
came right
odd.
off.
Yeah, it's kind of odd. But we're done.
Hey, nothing's made to last forever.
No, nothing lasts forever.